Understanding gear ratios helps you grasp how machines and compound interest work. It is all about the relationship between two moving parts. At its simplest, a gear ratio is just a measure of how many times one gear turns relative to another. If a small gear drives a larger one, you gain power. If a large gear drives a small one, you gain speed. Engineers use these ratios to balance strength and pace. You cannot have maximum speed and maximum power at the same time. Think of a bicycle. A low gear makes climbing hills easier, while a high gear lets you cruise quickly on flat roads. As the ratio increases, the output speed rises, provided the input force remains constant. It is a direct relationship between gears. Remember that there is no perfect gear, only the right one for the job you are trying to complete. Mastering these basics helps you understand complex systems. Check back soon for more concept breakdowns. Educational content, not financial advice.